Welcome back to Algo Traders Program, the ATP from MarketSecrets. This is episode 10 of this series, and in this episode we are going to talk about can we execute the algo trades manually instead of using the script or the bot. So let's go into today's session. Can we execute the algo trades manually instead of using the script? Well, you can, but why? Well, some people are not confident about the scripts or algos, or they want to do it for some weird reason. Only they'll know why. So now the question is it possible to do only the execution part of this algo trading manually if you want to do it for some reason? Well, the answer is yes, you can do it for sure. So how to go about this execution? How to do execution part of the ATP algo trading manually? So here is the detailed explanation. From 9:20 to 10 a.m. be available to take entry positions based on the dedicated Telegram alerts. So the algo will find you the trades and will alert you between this time frame to take entry positions manually. So this is different from the demo alerts Telegram channel we have, because in the demo alert Telegram channel we don't provide the stop loss or target or trailing stop loss levels. So this channel or this alert we are talking about is completely different from the ones that you are currently part of. And now number 2, for entry I recommend using basket orders provided by Kotak or any other brokers as well, because if you execute 2 entry trades manually, even though if you try to execute these orders at the same time, there might be a small delay between this execution. For example, right, you have to put one trade and then once that is triggered, you will go for the next trade. But most of the times this will result in delay. Sometimes it may not be significant, but once or twice the delay will be significant and it will cause issues. So instead, add all the trades that you want to take into a basket and execute it in one shot at the same time. This will ensure quick execution and will avoid any differences or buffers. So go for basket order if you want to take the trades manually. Okay, for the execution part you need to use basket orders. Now again, from 9:20 to 10 a.m. we need to be available to place the initial stop loss and targets. So once we have taken the entry order through this basket orders, once the entry is triggered, we need to immediately place the initial stop loss or targets. So you need to be available to do this as well. And once the orders is in from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. or 3 p.m. right? So we need to be available to trial the stop loss manually whenever alerts are triggered in the dedicated Telegram channel. So whenever there is a trailing stop loss that is being triggered, I mean when that condition is met, we will get an automated alerts in our dedicated Telegram channel. Again, it's a different channel. You are not currently part of it. Only the beta testers are part of it. So you need to be available to trial the stop loss manually whenever these alerts are triggered in the Telegram channel. So again, you have to be present whenever these alerts are triggered. Hope you would understand by now. Doing it manually doesn't make any sense. You need to let the algo do it automatically. But if again for some weird reason if you want to do it, you can go ahead. And lastly, from 2:30 to 3 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. you need to be available to square off any open positions you have. That's again another ask. So if you want to do a manual execution, you need to follow the Telegram alerts diligently. It's as simple as that. So whenever there is an entry, whenever there is a trailing stop loss, whenever there is an exit, you'll get automated Telegram alerts automatically. So all you have to do is you need to follow those alerts and manually do these things yourself. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. But do you want to do it? Is there any reason you want to do it manually? I don't think so. So let the algo handle it on its own. Don't try to do the algo trades manually. That's the worst thing to do. So I strongly advise not to pursue this route. You have to trust the algo if you want to succeed in algo trading. So let it handle everything end to end. That's my advice. So with that, we have come to end of today's episode. If you have any queries, comments on this episode, please let us know. I'll be happy to address it. We have a demo Telegram channel where our alerts are triggered. That is, our algo trades are being triggered, and the results are also published on daily basis. Link to this channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you are interested. Also, we'll be starting a real-time live data feed for our algo trades on a daily basis. So stay tuned in our YouTube channel for the same. So let's join our hands together for this exciting journey and a once in a lifetime opportunity. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.